Hello there, Master Hellish here, and welcome to Airsofting with the LAC. This particular video was taken over the course of a weekender at the LAC taking place on the 28th and 29th of June 2014. Now at the LAC Weekenders, on the Saturday, there is a normal game day, similar to what they do on a Sundays. Then they have a night game, and then on the Sunday, they have another day of gaming. Now, the Saturday day game and the Sunday day game are very often one big themed game, and you'll hear more about that later on. But for now, let's get out there into the field, and we're on the red team, so let's find some yellows and get them shot. Here you see us taking a domination flag. These domination flags allow us to respawn at them if we die, as long as they're not under fire, and as long as they're our colour. We flipped this one as we headed out. Me and the rest of the group here that you see with us, we went round and we flipped 3 domination flags before we even saw any enemy. You think we should go that way? You think we should go that way?
Down and round.
We can't
We can do a drug search while we go round.
There's a track down there.
Yeah, we can do a drug search while we go round.
I don't think we go much further that way, do we?
Yeah, of course you can.
Well, that's the 3rd domination flag we've found and captured. And I still haven't seen a single yellow player yet. Interesting. Eventually we found a lot of yellow players. But whilst you're here, you can see in the background there's a structure in this field, and that structure with the kind of tent top is where the trader was. Now, Clappo mentioned drugs earlier. There were drugs and gold and missiles and other items scattered all over the site, and we had to collect them all and bring them to the trader. Certain items we could only carry and move if we had the correct items, and those correct items could only be bought from the trader. So it was a matter of taking things like drugs to the trader, selling them and buying the carriers to bring the gold back and things like that. And the more points and money we got, the better, and then we had to deposit the money in our box, which was the yellow box on the ridge. Well, I've just had my first death. I got a kill before then, but no, we lost that position. We lost 2 crates that we were carrying and our dog tags, and I seem to have lost everybody else in the process. So I'm going to go back out there, see who I can find, and hopefully we can secure those 2 crates before they get handed in to the shop, to the trader. We'll see. Sorry. Hang on. Oh, jeez. Nobody to bang, mate. So that little fight you saw took place quite near the trader, and the yellows had the area quite well secured. When I respawned, I headed back and I went through Littlewood and through the bushes and through all the nettles and made my way right to the edge of the field via a different route. And I found myself near the edge of the field with only one yellow stood in the field.
Good shot. I don't like him anymore.
Now, once we'd killed an enemy player, we could go and take their dog tags. Once we managed to get their dog tags, we could then collect these together and then go and take them and deposit them with the money in our deposit box for points. So this is what I attempt to do in this next bit.
Cheers.
Oh, you got to touch me first.
Oh, God, then I'll have it.
Shot in the hit, I think. For picking everyone off.
I thought it was one of ours.
I just been shot in the back of the head by him.
Who's teaming the sniper off?
Well,
We don't know. He shot at both.
I know Mark and Dave are on my team.
Yeah, but they're the only snipers, I think.
No, there's some snipers on Reds.
I don't think there is.
I've seen one or two.
Oh, I didn't see any.
Well, whoever it is
I know
doesn't seem to be concerned which team they take out.
No, they've been taking out both. Because the last thing I know, he was shooting at yellows, which is why I was out here.
Yeah. Oh, didn't it?
Yeah. Because you guys were up here and you go, oh, there's a sniper, and you
we
disappear.
got to here. We got 2 rounds off the little sort of umbrella, and then one of our guys got.
Yeah.
I was like me going, oh! So I completely forgot who Mark and Dave's team was on.
Yeah.
And then I remembered, so I was like, actually, no, they're on my team. Maybe they're just shooting at us. No, right. I could switch over to their comms.
What, to tell them off for shooting you?
To be honest, not even to it. It's good for them to practice their sniper skills anyway. I'm not fussed, to be honest.
That's it.
It makes the game more fun, I think.
You were a range marker.
Yeah. I like being range marker. Well, the one I took in the back of the head came with no force. It just felt like this.
Oh, the one that hit my visor had a bit of force.
See, that's the.
And it came straight afterwards.
The shots that I have taken from them have been body shots, and they don't sting that much.
Really at range then.
Exactly what I wanted.
Well, they can reach 90 metres.
Then if they need to ping me every 5 minutes, then fair be it.
Every time I've come up, I've been killing you. I know. I got shot by a sniper. No, I got shot by you, sorry.
Yeah.
And then shot by a sniper.
Oh, 4 if you include Nick shooting me as well.
Now, after going back and respawning, I've spotted some yellows between the trader and Littlewood in the bushes. I figured I could get round the back of them. Well, I took a shot and it didn't look like anything came out. 2 more and still nothing came out of my gun. Must have had a big jam or a blockage there, but I had no time to figure out what was going on. He knew I was there now, so did his mate. I'm off. Now, with yellows in the bushes behind me and yellows in the field in front of me, I'm really not much sure what I'm going to do, so I just pick a direction and go.
Cheers. Head slots! Hey? We're going to move up or just fall back?
What do you want to do? You're a team leader.
To be honest, I don't see. You may as well just set it there just in case. I don't actually see any beneficial point in going into the little wood. Where's that? Pull back then.
Well, I've decided to take about an hour out. The morning's game was brilliant. We had bacon for breakfast, finally, and no, I've put my fluorescent jacket on and we're going to do a bit of filming for an hour or so, and then I'll pick up my gun and get back into the fight. But really good fun this morning. Good use of my gun. So let's see what we got.
You poor bastard. Do you remember last night game? In the middle of this field at the end? We all lined like a firing squad. And I remember yelling to you, sorry mate, and then about 8 people let you go. Alex, them bales, mate. Watch that tree line in front. Get to the bale, mate. Get to the cover. Get low. Get low. Good job. Good job. Go, Rick. Go. Really? Yeah.
George? Yeah? We need to move on him. I've already slotted the merchant, but we need to move on him and take him out.
What, the guy?
Yeah. Alright. Ready? Barry. What? Set up here, in front of here, lay down some covering fire. George, you're moving on the right, I'm moving on the left. Alright, cover fire! Move! Hit!
that a hit?
No, he owes me.
Oh, is that you? Is that you helping me out?
That was me taking out Richard and Nick.
Good job.
Yet.
I just thought you were an shot with the pistol then. Oh, sorry.
I'm sure I got 1 pistol kill. Come on, let me know.
Okay.
Is that one?
Ah, good work, mate. You know, I can hear your fucking BB. I was fucking hoping it.
We're doing nothing.
Another one coming in now. Look.
Yeah.
Right to there. Behind that. Those two trees.
You had the chance of getting his tag, didn't you?
See me battling 4 of them. Over there.
We've been busy.
So previously I mentioned gold and gold carriers and all that sort of stuff. So what was that about? Well, we got some money from selling drugs, and the red team then took that money and bought a gold carrier, which is the crate you see in front of you now. And they've gone around the site and picked up some of this gold, and now they're selling that to the trader for even more money. So that is one of the objectives of the game: make lots of money, steal stuff, and nick things.
No, there's over 20 bits of gold.
Is it? Well, it's not gold, that's a pearl. Don't like that one. Don't like that one. Don't want that one. Well, that's too small as well.
You know you're throwing money away there, don't you?
No, I'm going to wait till you go and collect it later. And that one's too small. I don't like that one either.
Yeah, but added together, they make a big one.
Yeah.
They do, but I've got the money. I like that one. That's a good one. That one I'll keep.
Ian, stop being picky.
That one I'll keep.
We're keeping the box as well, though.
Yeah, I know. You're going to empty them again in a minute.
Oh, right.
While you're watching me, how many people are watching around you?
Yeah.
That made him pay attention.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, 2 small ones should make a big one then, shouldn't it?
Good point. So, how many small ones to make a big one?
Well, I don't know. I'll be gracious and I'll say 2. That's about 3 to make a big one.
That seems fair. I would say 6. 6, 7, 8. I can get rid of. Seem fair?
Yeah.
Well, you take it off me, so that's good enough for me. Deal has finished.
Well,
you know, the ones in the other
They're
hand.
not happy. Right, how much is a missile carrier?
To buy a missile carrier, can you bring
How
out
much
the
we get for
missile
that
carrier
gold
for us, please?
I just want to know first now how much is a missile worth, because I want to see if it's worthwhile.
Yeah.
Because I know there's a missile just over there, it ain't far away.
Yeah, yeah.
There's one just up there, just by their red box.
Well, he's going to show us it now.
Yeah. I want you to look at the workmanship.
Yeah.
I want you to look at the style and dedication that was taken on this.
$1.
This is designed $1. I'll put it in the back. $1. I'm not accepting $1.
We're not making offers, we want no price.
Yeah. Was it inspired by Mad Max? Was it?
And then at the same time, how much do you give us for a missile?
Move! Hit. Medic him, George, get him back in the game!
Just so you know.
Yeah,
I got stinging nettles on my arse.
That was nothing to do with merchant, was it?
So it's only out.
Get your head down.
What are you here for then? What are you here for? You got me? Bugger off. Well, I don't know, you managed to sit some dog tags in the yellow box. Behind my...
No!
not to do. You go that way and he will go.
Yep. Come here, a minute, please.
You wanted the job.
It's dangerous out here.
I know.
Anyway, you do your thing. Stop laughing at me.
Already have done.
Oh, I see him.
Bastard.
These Nick I got.
Oh, yeah, there's two of them.
Every time I go on my line, you can go, dead.
Whoa. Hit. Hit. Oh, hit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, you're dead anyway. You're alive.
Oh,
you're
yeah.
alive.
Well, we've been trapped next to a hay bale. Whoa. Hit. Hit. Oh, hit. Bang. Bang.
That's overkill, that. Killed them while they're already dead. Jace, Jace, you alright with that? Oh, you're alright. Okay. You're throttling yourself, then. Don't take it that hard, right? Yeah.
I was both shooting and sorry.
Get him.
Well, there we have it. This is the end of part 1. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in part 2. But for now, goodbye.